Welcome back. As a part of the previous section, we understood operations on the data frame are structured APIs. Now, as a part of this section, we'll try to understand what are the different types of the data which are supported or on which we can operate on by using Spark. What happens is when you are there as a part of any project like a data engineering project or a data analysis project, you tend to deal with different types of the data. When I say different types of the data, it can be a numerical data, it can be a string type of data, it can be varied types of the data. Why do we need to deal with the various types of the data? Because if you really look at any of the real-time data which is coming from a different domains, it may be from a retail domain, it may be from a banking domain, it may be from any healthcare domain, you tend to get different types of the data, right? That is the reason any project for that matter, we need to use the different types of the data. So when the different types of the data is there, obviously we need to see how do we really meddle with that, how do we really manipulate that. As a part of this lecture, we'll try to understand what are the different types of the data on which we can work on using the Spark. Let's get started. Any idea what are the different types of the data Spark can handle? Just pause a video for a second and think through. I guess you got it. First and foremost thing is Spark can handle the Boolean type of data. What is Boolean type of data? We'll see in a bit. Spark also can handle the numerical data. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, like integers, fractions and all those things. Okay. And also Spark can handle the string type of data as well. When I say string type of data, it can be a names, a place, address and all those things. So Spark can also handle date and timestamp. Spark can also handle complex data or complex data type. When I say complex data type, as you see, this complex data type can be made up of a combination of numerical data and string in an array or in a different formats. That is a complex type of the data. And also one more very important thing is Spark can also handle null values. Because if you look at any of the data, you tend to have some null values as a part of the data set. We'll see all these things in detail as a part of this section. Thank you.